In the next videos we'll start working with code, so it's essential that the project is as organized as possible from the start. An SVG file can be quite confusing at first, since it's made up of various coordinates with thousands of numbers. So, to start off on the right foot, let's rename all the elements in our file, and later in HTML these will be translated into IDs. In the previous videos we had already named some of the layers and sublayers. The general idea is that each distinct element should have a unique name. For instance, within the animals group, each animal will have a different name. However, for identical elements like the trees, for example, we will assign the same name to all of them. Later on in HTML, we can always change the names again if needed. To rename each of the layers, just go to Layers and follow the same steps you see on the screen. To close the Adobe Illustrator chapter, let's now export the final map. Let me first save the project. And now I will click again on File, Export, Export As. Here choose the folder, the type is SVG file, select Use Artboards and click Export. Here I will keep everything set to default. Here is the SVG file, and if we double click, it will open in the browser. That's all for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll start with Visual Studio Code and use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to transform a static map into an interactive one.